No. How's your credit history?
Problem that plagues millennials. If you have no credit history, banks are sometimes reluctant to risk giving you credit, but you need credit in order to build credit history. What to do?
At first glance, it appears to be a classic chicken and the egg dilemma. You need a regular credit card to build up a good credit score and history, but you need a good credit score and history to get a regular card in the first place. How does building credit actually work?
Why you got no credit cards? You got no credit cards?
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Giovanni. I'm an ex-private banker. I've helped many families save, grow, and manage their wealth. Today I'm going to be talking about strategies to help you build your credit history and your credit score. The answer is that there are many types of credit cards that you can apply for without having a credit score. I'm going to share with you guys the following options. The first option is to apply for a secure credit card. Secure credit cards may be an option for those with little to no credit. Secure cards are like prepaid card, where the required security deposit is typically the same amount as the credit limit. Even so, they are used and paid off in the same way as regular credit cards. So they can be used to help you establish a good credit history. Your second option is to become an authorized user on the credit card. Becoming an authorized user of a credit card held by a family member with a good credit score is one of the easiest ways of establishing a credit score in history. While it's not just family members who can authorize you to use their account, usually parents or immediate family members are the ones to do this because they have to trust you to use their account wisely. When you become an authorized user, the primary card holder will be sent an extra card with your name on it. Activity from that credit card will become reflected on the authorized user's credit report over time. So the next step is to apply for store credit cards. Usually this type of credit card is offered by retailers or businesses to people who have low credit history, but this type of credit cards usually credit high interest rate. So I highly recommend you guys get this type of credit card. You just have to be aware that if you don't make your monthly payments, you'll be paying a high interest rate. Usually like Target, Sears, these type of retailers offer this type of credit card. Once you have a year with this type of credit card, I highly recommend you guys start applying for regular credit cards such as from Chase or Wells Fargo. So the last step I have for you guys is to get a co-signer. So the option here is to get someone who has a strong credit history and a credit score. So when you are submitting your credit card application, you are more likely to get approved because of your co-signer's strong credit history and credit score. The only caveat with this type of application is that if you miss a payment or you default on your credit card, this will also affect the other person's credit history and credit score. So there has to be a strong trust between you and your co-signer when you're submitting this type of credit card application.